Today we're gonna be opening some Ducky keyboard caps for my new keyboard.
Can I open one?
Sure. So
I'm
which
gonna
one are you gonna open?
this one.
The blue? Okay. Wait. Ready? Okay, so which one do you want? Wait.
I really want that one.
Okay.
Or the secret.
Okay. Open yours.
Oh, it's that one. I did kind of want it.
Okay, my turn. I want the secret of the pill.
Wait, which one's the boo boo? Boo boo.
I got the poo. Okay, I'm gonna open the blue. You open green. Okay, open yours.
What else? That was fine.
Please be the secret. Another pill. Please be the secret.
Oh, the big sword. Okay, let's see.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, we're almost out. Okay. Please be it. I need this.
Mama.
If this is another poo, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my god. We got all pills.
Oh,
Yeah, this gambling is rigged. This is rigged.
Boo boo.